everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the home of cookbook recipes, and of course guys, today we have a new recipe from a cookbook that we've cooked from for a couple of times. The cookbook is baked to perfection, and this particular recipe we want to see if it is going to be baked to perfection. So what we are going to make today are proper boiled plus baked bagels. That's what the book says, proper boiled plus baked bagels. Let me show you the picture. All the recipes in this book have a photo. There we go. That's what we're going to try and make today. The book calls them proper boiled plus baked bagels, and of course they are gluten-free because that's what this book is all about. Delicious gluten-free recipes with a pinch of science. Just a pinch. Hey, is this a pinch? It's a whole science thing. I don't think it's a pinch. But anyway, let's see what we are working with so that we can start cooking. I don't think it has a lot of ingredients. I think the ingredients are few. So karibu sana, wacha tujione. So here is my yeast mixture. I've already started activating it. Check the book to see what it has. This is some millet flour, this is some tapioca flour, and this is some brown rice flour. On this plate I have some water, I have some psyllium husk, I have some salt, and I have some xanthan gum. So that's all we are going to work with. So because I've already started activating my yeast, the next thing I'm going to do is to work with the xanthan gum. I started it because this needs around 10 to 15 minutes, but this one only needs 15 to 30 seconds. I mix it. So we put this one aside just for a few minutes. Then we mix the tapioca flour, oh Lord, the millet flour, and the brown rice flour, the xanthan gum, and the salt. This is my second bagel recipe. The first recipe I did for bagels was by Dr. Gandry, the Cookbook Kitchen. Make sure you check it out. So this is a different one that I'm trying out. So this is what you get once you mix the psyllium husk and the water, the mahe, the marge. So I'll pour it here. And then my yeast mixture. And first let me use this to mix. The book says you use a stand mixer or you can use your hand. You need to knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Today I'll try and use my hands. So here is our dough, guys. I'm going to let it rest for about 1 hour or until it doubles in volume. So we are back, guys. This is our dough. It has doubled in volume, as you can see. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to divide it into 8 portions. Oh, I did flour my surface. Flour my surface a bit. I'm using brown rice flour. There we go. first. There we already have 8 of them. So the next step you're going to do now, you're going to make them into a bagel. You're going to shape it first into a bowl. Then once you have a bowl, you're going to create a hole inside. Put it here. This is our first one. So here we are, guys. So I'll cover them and put it in a warm place until they rise again. So see you after 30 minutes. So I'm back, guys. Now we're going to go to the next step. I have a pot of boiling water over here. We're going to boil our bagels, then we're going to bake. My oven is already preheating. So let's finish this process. I think this is the last process, because once we boil, we bake, and voila, we'll be ready. Now, the book says, traditionally, bagels are made with barley malt syrup or extract which contains gluten. So, molasses is a wonderful alternative, and it improves the flavor and the caramelization of the bagel crust. So, we're going to add the molasses in the water, and then from there we will drop the bagels one by one. We cook them for 1 minute on each side, then remove and transfer to the lined baking sheet. Put my molasses. So guys, our bagels are ready. They have cooled. They look like what is in the book, guys. I'm not hyping myself, but they look like what is in the book. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. This is so nice. So let's taste. First of all, I want to cut. I show you how it looks inside, and then the taste. We see. Which one do I cut? Let me cut this one. I know. Look, guys. That's how it looks inside. So guys, let me taste. These are the things that encourage me. First time trying it out, and it has turned out so nicely, exactly like the book. I've not applied anything on the bagels. I just want to taste them the way they are, just to get the original, the authentic taste. So my people, the book says the baked bagels and every bite will transport you into the best bagel shop in New York City, NYC. I've never been to New York, so I have no idea how bagels taste in New York, but these ones taste, they taste really nice. They are soft on the inside. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, our bagels have been baked to perfection. I'm so excited about this one. So guys, try this particular recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, what you would change, and what other recipe you want me to try out for you. This is the first time I've tried it out, and it has come out exactly as the book, guys. I'm not hyping myself, but I've shown you. Bye bye and God bless.